Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to register and bid using the Smith & Company app from your phone or iPad. Of course, you can also register and bid from your laptop, desktop computer, or the web browser on your phone. To learn more about using a web browser, watch our tutorial titled How to Register via Web Browser. Before we begin, please note you will be downloading an app, so you'll need your Apple ID and password or have finger touch recognition on your phone, or whatever method your phone requires for app downloads. So let's get started. First, find and open the App Store, which looks like this icon. Or if you have an Android device, you'll need to look for Google Play. Click on Search, the icon that looks like a magnifying glass, and type in Smith & Co. Auctions, just like this. If you use the full word AND, it will not find the right app. If you use the full word company, it will not find the right app. So be careful to type it in just as you see it here. Once you've done that, click search. And if you've typed it in correctly, you should see the Smith & Company app, which looks like this. Download and open the app. When you open the app, it will go directly to the dashboard. Click on the red auctions box right here. The total number of online auctions available will be displayed. Now, all Smith & Company auctions are online, either via simulcast or online only. And we try to carefully name our auctions so that if they are online only, we indicate to you there. Scroll down to find the auction you're interested in and click register. This will pull up a bidder login box. If you've registered before, just type in your name, your username and password, and click log on. If you're a new user, and I suspect you are since you're watching this tutorial, click on new bidder. The first step is to verify a valid email address. Each account must have a valid, unique email address. Oops, sorry about that. So type in your email address, confirm your email address. If the system checks your email address and you've already registered using it, you'll get a notification that the email address is already being used. If that happens, probably you just need to reset your password, or if you still have problems, give us a call and we'll do our best to help you. Fill out all of the required information on the form accurately and in its entirety. You'll need a unique username and password. Please maintain your username and password in a safe place. You'll need this later to log on. Confirm the password, check your desired account options, and then click Create New Account. And a welcome screen will show that your account has been created. Click OK, and this will take you to the payment verification screen. Click Add a Payment Method, and this is where you'll add a payment method to your account. Please enter the required information and click Save and return to registration. Last, you'll enter a 3-digit security code to verify your credit card. A temporary $1 charge is applied to your card for validation. The screen here says that the charge will be removed within 5 to 7 business days, but typically it happens within 3 to 5 business days, and sometimes as quick as the following day. So this is simply to verify you're a real person and the payment method provided is valid and it's not some robot, all of that kind of stuff. Before submitting your registration, be sure to include any notes you would like the auctioneer or clerks to see. So, for example, let us know if you have a farm tax ID with your ID number and expiration date. Of course, then you'd have to email it into our office or fax it in or whatever. But this is where, if you have any notes or anything you want us to know regarding payment, then this is where you would let us know about that. And then, of course, review the terms and conditions carefully, check the acknowledgement box, and click the Submit Registration button. A box will appear that says you have been successfully registered. Click OK. and you'll now see the red highlighted area indicated that you are registered. Now this is pretty cool when you're just scrolling through. In our really busy seasons when we have a lot of auctions, you can quickly see which ones you've already registered for and which ones you haven't. Your login ID and password will always stay the same, but you will have to register for each auction that you might be interested in using that ID and password. Most of our bidders prefer the app over bidding, prefer bidding on the app versus bidding on a web browser once they've used it, primarily due to this dashboard. It's a great and simple way to keep track of your bids, and you can even watch items that you may not be bidding on but are curious to see what they bring. We hope that you enjoy the app, and we do welcome any feedback that you might have. A couple of tips. We highly recommend that you do not wait until the last minute to register. You can register early and wait until later to bid if you want to, but by registering in advance, you can feel rest assured that you understand the bidding tools. Also, it's important that you familiarize yourself with all the terms and conditions before you bid. Know the pickup dates and times, be familiar with any additional charges like tax or buyer's premium, and be sure to read over all the terms of the sale. So thank you for your interest in our online bidding process. Of course, again, if you have any questions, please just give us a call and let us know. We want to help you, and happy bidding.